Good afternoon everybody. Today we are in Heerlen at APG and we will meet Tanvi Patil for the Maastricht University Challenge and the Limburg Innovation Challenge.
Good afternoon. Thank you for having me. My name is Tanvi Patil. I am currently working as a digital and innovation lead at APG Asset Management, which is the investments arm of APG. So APG is a pension administration firm, and within asset management we manage the pension money on behalf of our clients and their participants. You know, APG has its historical roots in Maastricht, and we also strongly believe in the principle of symbiotic relationships. So for instance, we learn from the students learn from us, and something like pensions is not usually that's on top of mind of everyone. So I think that's also one of the reasons why APG is participating in this challenge, to show how people and students can make impact on something, so that is something that is so integral in society, like pensions.
Yes, of course. And what would you like to tell the students, the participants, the young entrepreneurs, based on your own experience?
Interesting question. I would say that, of course, starting something new, entrepreneurial can be daunting in the beginning, and it's okay to be afraid, but don't let that stop you. Take risks. I mean, you will either succeed, fail, or you'll learn from it. So just go for it. Rely on your network, friends, families, colleagues, and just don't be shy to ask for help. I believe that this challenge gives an opportunity to the students to meet different organizations, but it also gives an opportunity to exercise their analytical capabilities, their thinking mind. They get to work on exciting projects and themes that are relevant in the society, for instance, sustainability, circular economy, and I think these are some of the things that all of us should be thinking about. So I think it's a good platform for the students to present their ideas.
So the platform is good for APG, is good for the students, and it's good for the region.
Yes, indeed.